Kunitai in Abuja. The Colleges of Education Academic Staff Union, COEASU, has called for the reshuffling of the way choices of institutions have been categorized, saying that colleges of education have been placed as number 3 and the last on the list, thereby making it unattractive for applicants. The union also said with this status quo, after the selection of the best from the first choice list, the COE system is left with no choice but the low-performing candidates. The president of the union, Mr. Nuhu Ojirima, who stated this in a communique when the union paid a courtesy visit to the registrar of the Joint Admissions and Matriculation Board, JAMB, Prof. Ishak Oloid, also lauded the efforts of the board for its uprightness, which led to the remittance of over N5 billion to the nation's treasury. We humbly request that you use your good office to address, through the instrumentality of the board, the attrition in subscription to teacher education. We do view this call an imperative given the fact that the current application process predisposes candidates much more towards university education. Notwithstanding the overwhelming preference of seekers of admission for university education, the provision for College of Education as third choice in JAMB form sought to obscure the system from others. Consequently, after the selection of the very best from the first choice list, the COE system is left with no choice but the very low-performing candidates. This does not augur well for the teacher education system, especially at the COE level. The union would therefore appreciate if the board, without prejudice to her establishment law, explores the possibility of partnership with stakeholders in the COE system towards enabling measures that could improve on the admission status of the colleges of education nationwide, he added.